We want to add these two fractions together. We notice they do not have the same denominator, so we want to get both of these to have the same denominator. The common denominator that we want them to be is just going to be these two things multiplied together. So you're going to multiply each fraction by what it's missing. So the first one, we have x over x plus 7. It has the x plus 7, but it's missing the x minus 7. So I'll multiply the first one by a power of 1 here, x minus 7 over x minus 7. Next one is we have 8x minus 3 over x minus 7. This one we want to multiply top and bottom by x plus 7. Again, a power of 1. This is going to allow us to have the same thing on the bottom, x plus 7, x minus 7. Now let's multiply across the top, x squared minus 7x. In the bottom, I'll keep this in the factored form. Next, we're going to multiply across the top here. 8x times x is 8x squared. I have 56. X minus 3 is going to be a 53x minus 21. In the bottom, I have x plus 7, x minus 7. We're adding this together, so there's nothing to distribute here. We can just put all these terms together on top. So x squared minus 7x plus 8x squared plus 53x minus 21. Now we have all that over our common denominator, x plus 7, x minus 7. We want to add the like terms together. So when we do that, we're going to get a 9x squared. Negative 7 and 53 is going to be a positive 46x. Then we have minus 21 all over x plus 7, x minus 7. All right, now for this, we want to see if we can factor this. Now, if we take a look at the two numbers we're multiplying, normally we would try and do this by the grouping method, which means we'd multiply the 9 times the 21. Well, if we do that, we get really 3 times 3 would be primes for 9. And then we have a 3 times 7 is primes for 21. So if we look through all the different combinations here, I would have, for multiplying all this together, I would have 3 times 3 times 2, 27 and 7. That wouldn't add up to 46. And 21 and 9 doesn't add up to 46 either. So there's no combination, it looks like, from here of these numbers that multiply to make 46, which means that this is going to be my only answer. There's nothing else I can do, so I can't factor the top. I'll just leave it as is.